To add a voice on Snapchat and solve a sound-blocked problem, stay with me until the end. Hi Snapchat friends. To add a voice from your phone on Snapchat and use it on the story or in the spotlight, first open the app and click on the music icon. Now to make a new sound, tap on the Create Sound option. Here you will get two different options. The first one is to upload from the camera roll to extract the audio from the video. And the second option is Record Sound, to record your voice. Click on Upload from Camera Roll. Here select the video that contains the sound and must be less than 4 minutes. Select the audio clip from here. Then write a name for the new sound. If you want the sound to be public, click on this option. Write anything here, then click Save Sound when you're done. If this message appears, the sound has been copyrighted. Don't worry, we will fix it now. Click OK. Then close Snapchat. Now open the CapCut app. Wait a moment. Then click on the Edit section here. Then tap on a new project. Now select the video you need, then click on the Add icon. From this page or from this editing area, select the part of the sound you want to add on Snapchat. But the video should be less than 18 seconds now. Tap on Video, then click on the split icon here to trim the video. Select the other part, then delete it. Then delete the back-end screen from CapCut. Finally, click on the Export icon to save the video on your phone. Wait a second. Now go back to the Snapchat app and open it. Then click on the music icon here. Now tap on the Create Sound option. Here click on Upload from the camera roll. Now choose the video. Then from here select the audio clip, then write a name for the sound here, and click on this option to make the sound for the public. And here write your name, and when you finish, click on Save Sound. Now the sound has been successfully added without any issues. To use it, click on My Favorites section and select My Sounds to find your new sound, and that's it.